There's another line and wash, simple country scene, 5-bar gate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, footpath leading to it, or walkway, cattle, some scrubby trees, and some distance. Nothing, no great shake, so I hadn't bothered to demonstrate the actual drawing of it. But I used a piece of stick, sharpened stick, and roughed up with a bit of sandpaper and black waterproof ink. So it's going to be wetting wet over that. So I will wet the paper, a good slosh. So as it dries, it will expand the paper and we can re-stretch it and clip it. Right, bit of raw sienna now in the sky. Give it a bit of a clean. Right, go all the way over it now. Like that. So we had a bit of blue sky. And a bit of cloud. Light red mixed with ultramarine gives a nice warm cloud shadow. Oh, a bit dark on the top there, just there. Oh, it's a good bit of direction to the cloud. So we've got a distant hill, so we'll put that in a bit of sky colour, but quite light really. Right there, there's a bit of raw sienna underneath that, just to show something going on. Right on there, and then a bit darker. So some trees in here, and all the way across, following the line of the land. And all the way across there. This bit is going to be covered up. So we'll put in a bit of a field with a bit of raw sienna and a bit of lemon yellow. Let's get that in there. Just vary. Bit of green in the mix. Probably a little bit dark. But we want to show, we don't want it too light. Okay, on. Let's go back with that yellow along there. Leaving bits of light areas to shine through. Now, I'm imagining that there's some sort of stone wall across across here. Just dry that a bit. Right, reclipping it. These two line and wash that I've done, one bit about an hour ago or so, and this one I've not edited. I'm just going in with this one. I've just made it up, but it's just a standard. It could be anywhere really, couldn't it? It could be Wales. Right, so a nice bit of grey, bit of red for the wall. So just bung it in. Just like that. Come out there. Right, get that. You need to do this quick. A bit quicker than I'm doing it. Right, clean my brush. Now, a bit of credit card or an old card, bit of plastic card. Just reclip it. It's grown quite a bit. Oops. The paper I'm using is Spiral Langton. I think it's Bockingford, I'm not sure. It's £140 weight. I got a load of it. So I'm just using it up. It's almost dried too much now there. But anyway, we can. Just show something going in there. If I can get a little bit more light out of that. No, let's do it right. Right, okay. Let's do a bit of texturing in the foreground here. But before I do that, I'll just put in this muddy sort of path here. It's light red. Right, let that go. So while that's doing, I'll just dry brush these trees. I'm going to make them yellow for our leaves, because we're all in spring mode now, so we've done enough. So I'll put the yellow in first. We've had enough of winter. Just a light wash to start with. When that dries, I can go over it with twigs and a bit of darker stuff. So we've got some. Let's put in some texturing in here. Bit of grass. And there's a bit of shadow coming down from that wall there. Flick out some stuff here. The other side. I thought that was a bit dry than it is. Right, with my inch brush, I'm going to just put in the gate. I'll use a bit of burnt umber, a bit of blue. Don't want it's too heavy. Just go back and do some bit of, let's try that a bit. Get a bit of a darker green on the shadow. We'll put some blue in with it, blue in with a mix, bit of grey, bit of yellow, bit of blue. Trying to show some spring greens. Right. Get some darker colour in there now. Just texturing. Just a bit of Alright, some wriggle work. Showing a few more. So as you add the darker colours to the inked areas, they lose their intensity and blend a little bit. But don't want to overdo this. A little literally goes a long way. Don't want to make a rod for your own back and try to put everything in. Alright, just a little bit of brushy stuff in the foreground here. figure in. Shadow there. Alright, quick flick with your signature. There. I'll put it into a mount. And see what it looks like. Then if it's any good, I'll upload it onto YouTube. Right, hold on. Good mount. Right, there we are. Very simple country scene. Oops. Oh dear. Oh, there we go. So that's what I've done. The little man, plenty of distance on it, just got a greenish field. I think the foreground might be a bit muddy, but as a demonstration, it just goes to show how much you can do in a few minutes. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.